Hi, you are watching Satya Smart Life. Please subscribe. In this video, we will see how to make French toast. We can easily make French toast at home. Instead of making bread omelette always, we can try French toast also sometimes. Let us see how to make it. First, we have to take a wide bowl convenient for dipping the bread slice. In the bowl, take 2 spoons of sugar, half teaspoon cinnamon powder, a pinch of salt and 1 small cup of milk. Mix well for 1 minute. Break 2 eggs and add to this. And mix well for 1 minute. This mix is sufficient for 5 to 6 slices. We have to use sandwich bread only for this. If we use milk bread, it may break and it's not good. Take a bread slice and dip both sides in the mix. Heat a spoon of butter in a pan and place the dipped slice on it. We have to use butter only for this frying. If we use any other oil, the taste will not be good. Fry it till brown and reverse it. Fry the slice till golden brown and take it into a plate. We can have this toast with honey or date syrup along with banana slices. Please try this recipe, definitely you will like it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.